Hello everyone. Welcome to my new video. So this is gonna be a exam week vlog because I have my midterms this week, and also I have surgical rotations going on. I have to prepare for that as well. And so this week I have oncology exam, I have research skills exam, I have clinical skills exam, I have my surgical rotations going on, but the teacher takes the oral exams like Viva type exam, and also I have internal medicine midterm this week as well. So yeah, it internal medicine is has simpler topics here, genetics and all. It's simple. And for surgery I am studying parathyroid right now because I have parathyroid oral exam today. And also, as I study for different subjects, I'll tell you guys how do I prepare, what do I prepare, and yeah, stay tuned with this video. Let's get some work done. And also, this week is interesting because different exams have different mode. Like my surgery rotation. The teacher is taking oral exam for every topic, and at the end of the semester, I don't know what will his approach be. I think he will take Viva based exam, and in oncology and research skills, we have MCQ based exam in exam center of our university. And for the clinical skills, we have OSCE exam. OSCE is basically, objective clinical skills exam. You have to, present your clinical skills. You have to demonstrate it. And also yesterday my surgery topic was, thyroid surgery, and I knew every bit of it, but I don't know what happens in Viva. Like, it was pathetic. It was pathetic. The teacher didn't say anything because he was nice, but I know deep inside me that what have I done in the class. And yeah, it was not good. So I'm preparing well for today's parathyroid. Maybe I'll perform better than yesterday. Fingers crossed. And also, despite the fact that we have midterms this week, we have our normal classes going on. So I have to, travel to the other part of the city, which is, it takes around 1.5 hours to go and 1 hour and 1.5 hours to come back. So the routine is as usual for the classes, and also I have to manage my gym time as well. So Smile has her Georgian exam. So tell me your preparation.
Okay, so I'll recite how my day goes. Okay. Me Vidvizeb Shvidi Sadze. Shemdeg Vibaneb. Shemdeg Me Vasauzme. Me Mivdivar Universitet Shi. Shemdeg
I think it's as same as the metro woman.
No emotions attached.
Yeah, the only thing I understood was Shemde
Shemdegi.
Sadguris Moedani. I don't have Georgian exam this semester, so that's why I'm chill. Chill.
Also have a Georgian exam, but sadly we are busy with other things.
Yeah, they'll fail.
Fuck you. Gamble.
So, as you guys know that my surgical internship is also going on, and today we have to see cholecystectomy. That is basically the removal of the gallbladder. And yeah, it is a laparoscopic surgery. It will be a short surgery. And after this, I'll go to library to study for my research exam. Yeah, I'll keep you updated. Now I've changed into my scrubs, and yeah, I'm going for surgery, and let's go. Yeah, I just saw the laparoscopic cholecystectomy, and yeah, it was cool. Laparoscopy is like just playing video games with your hands, right? Cool stuff. Now I'm going to the library to study for my research exam, and let's see. I want to give it today, but let's see if I can. And those who are wondering that how can I decide the time of my exam, so basically it's like you can give any time. Like they have given specific dates that you can go in examination center at any given time and just take the exam. So it's not a restriction that you have to take it today or tomorrow. It's just you, whenever you have time, you can go and you'll get questions. So guys, as usual, we are not in library. We are in Disha and Ruchika's house. So
हाय गाइस बहुत ठंड है बहुत ज्यादा ठंड है
they said we'll study here. So guys, what's your level of preparation?
this is my level of preparation
So we'll try to study here, and yeah, I'll update you. So we did pull day today, in which we will do biceps and back muscles. Yeah, that's about it. Drink protein shake, guys. It's Kesar Thandai flavor from Muscle Blaze, and it's my first ever protein powder, guys. And yeah, I'm trying it out, and it's nice by far so far. So guys, it's 10:30 p.m. right now, and I did not give my research exam today. So that means that I have to give two exams tomorrow. One is oncology, and one is research skills. So yeah, it's 10:33 p.m. now. I think I'll study till 1 or 2 a.m., which I just don't want to. But I don't have any option because, and research skill is such a, I just don't feel good about that subject. I don't know why. Just do let me know in comments. Do you feel the same? Like randomized control trials, PICO is not my thing to do. And also, when I came back home from the gym, I made dinner, then I winded up the kitchen, and yeah, I took a bath, and then I am in my bed ready to study. Living alone is not easy, guys. Living alone is not easy. So guys, we are preparing for our OSCE exam.
अगर responsive है तो आगे बढ़.
If the patient wakes up.
वो देखो ये कितना बढ़िया है वो.
हाँ देख लिया मैंने ले लिया.
Guys, have some tea.
What's the tea?
What's the tea? Tomorrow is our exam, and we are not prepared.
We are super prepared. Shut up.
Smile is speaking for herself.
No.
I will prepare. I will.
Yes.
Yeah. So I'm here at the hospital, and it's 7 p.m. for my surgical rotations. I'll just attend my class and go back home and study for tomorrow's OSCE exam. There was a big jam from like Seriteli to Digomi. Like it was so long. The bus was so packed. Yeah, that's life. And don't get me started about the taxis here. Like in bus, it took me 40 minutes or 1 hour to reach. By taxi, I'll reach tomorrow. Hello guys, it's exam day today, and I have my clinical skills OSCE exam in few hours. I just woke up, and yeah, I'll study for that, and it will be done today. So guys, as I get ready, I tell you that I'm not a person who gets scared or take tension for university exams especially, but today I'm scared. Because I just keep forgetting all the things. We have a checklist, in OSCE exam, you have to do the thing by the checklist. So I know the steps. I know how to do it in a hospital setting. I have done that in a hospital setting for, some months when I was doing my internship in India. Yeah, but I just cannot recall all the step by step thing. And yeah, that's why I'm scared, because if I don't follow the checklist, he'll cut my marks, and despite of knowing everything, I'll lose my marks. So just keep me in your prayers. By the time you'll see this video, I will be, done with my exam. But yeah, that's what it is. And also, we are planning that we'll give our what's the exam? Yeah, we'll give our cancer biology exam after we are finished with our clinical skills. And yeah, we have to study for that, like, for some couple of hours, and we'll study that and we'll give exam. And yeah, tomorrow I have to give my research exam, and I haven't touched my material for that. So yeah, that's the update. And also, I forgot to tell you guys what all I have in my clinical skills exam is basically managing the emergencies like epilepsy, like acute pulmonary edema, and in hospital resuscitation, what are the steps we do, and yeah, things like that we have in clinical examination. Like in every semester we have a subject caps. So now it's my 11th semester, and now I have emergencies management, and yeah, that's about.
I'm feeling confident.
Wow, you are confident. Ritu, how are you feeling? How much marks did you get?
The maximum I can get was 20. तो उतना ही आया मुझे। भाई को कुछ करती है।
20 दे दिए, पेन मैनेजमेंट आ गया, मजा ही आ गया।
एक आते हुए एक जाते हुए
भोजन के बाद अब रिसर्च देंगे।
What exam do you have now?
Research. But before that we need to eat.
Okay, they are studying. मेरा भी ले लो, मैं भी स्टडी भी कर रही हूँ। Guys,
ले
I
लो
am
भाई।
also studying.
इन्फ्लुएंस
सारे नहीं डबल चीज किए। Guys, look at the decoration of our university.
क्या अगर एक डायग्नोस्टिक टेस्ट हाईली सेंसिटिव
वो आरबी के साथ जुड़ जाता है फिर
क्या क्या
For my oncology exam, and I have to submit my phone. So yeah, I'll meet you after exam. So we are done with our oncology exams.
It went really well.
That we will see when the marks will come. Nimish, are you ready for your research exam? As you are
Ready.
research enthusiast.
My research paper is getting published in the next month. Just wait and watch.
And will you pass the exam? My question
One
is.
exam will not determine my research skills.
Guys, me and my friends are here at the Rustaveli Avenue. We are just here for some random stroll, and look at the lighting. I'll show you. It's day 3 of exams, and I have to go and give my research exam. I have to revise everything up, but I just saw a mouse in my house. Can you imagine? It's a new house and there is no food. Like I've sealed everything up, and why did the mouse come, and from where did the mouse come here? I have to clean everything up, and I have to give exam today because it's the last day. Bhagwan ji. Guys, I'm not acting. It's Chooha. I miss living at 12th floor. Now I live on 1st floor, and that's why the mouse came. And I think there's an open pipe from where it came. And why did you come? There is no food for you. I'm traumatized, guys. Traumatized. Guys, we are going to the university because we cannot study at my home because there is
A rat infestation.
चूहा, mouse in my house.
Mouse in my rat के अंदर rats.
Mouse है वो, छोटा था ना रैट, शायद बड़ा होता है.
डर लग रहा है guys.
Yeah. Guys, my friends are saying that our university is making ice rink in this, and see the decorations. Beautiful.
हाँ जी, क्या हो गया?
Why aren't you studying? You're
We are
disturbing.
Georgian.
We are disturbing the whole class.
Can you shut up?
No.
We are trauma bonding. Ismail are always trauma bonding. We have some common trauma.
Sal, you also have Georgian.
No, she passed.
Nutrition.
Oh, you have nutrition? Yeah. Oh.
This is the third semester of him studying Georgian. It's been 3 years since he's in Georgia.
3 years.
And still he is referring all these alphabets.
Because I want to be perfect in it.
He's learning ABC and then he'll proceed to the third semester of Georgian.
It's the last time I'm studying Georgian, okay?
They expect you to be a,
Fluent speaker.
fluent speaker
To
in
be
Georgian.
proficient. It's fine.
Guys, just look at the line for the examination hall. Look at the line. Studying was not enough. I have to stand in this line. Will I be able to give exam today? Because today is the last day. Guys, our rector is so rich. I'll show you. Only I think his kids are, doing ice skating in university premises. Wow. So I just finished my last exam and it was average. The chaos is real. I'll just show you the chaos. Hey guys, I'm done with my exams finally, and the chaos was real. Like, I don't know how I got, placed in the examination hall. There was so much of chaos. And yeah, that's how our exam week ends. And now, today is my best friend's engagement, and I'm going to watch it on YouTube. Yeah. Also, subscribe to my channel if you want to see such more vlogs. And yeah, bye bye.